Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add setup time to ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started, but first thing you need to keep in mind is that you need a pro subscription to be able to use a ladder, either that or the free trial that is offered to you once you start the application for the first time. So once you've done that, now we can get started accessing our workouts. Here in the bottom right corner we have the theme section from where we can get started with accessing the themes we want to be a part of, and once you do that we can access their workouts right here. So to add a setup or preparation time to work out in the ladder application, you can use the add prep time button that appears when a move starts. So you can open up any of the workouts right here. You can go and take a look at the workouts and you're going to start any of the moves, and once you start the moves the button is going to appear for yourself. It's going to say to add prep time. So basically when a new movement starts you're going to do that, and it's going to add 10 seconds to your transition and it's going to add a setup time. So if you need more time than that, just keep clicking the button and adding more time, and that is how it's done, how to go ahead and add setup time in the workouts. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.